Hello everybody, working on a 2011 Audi Q5, and on this car we're replacing the front rotors and pads. To replace the caliper, to disconnect the caliper, we need 13mm. There's a bolt back here. We need to open that. So there you go. Okay, so you do have to use a pry bar of some kind if it gets stuck. Mine is. There you go. Alright. Brake pads don't look bad, but it's squeaking and grinding when they apply brakes. So I feel like these rotors might be the reason. So either way, we're replacing rotors and pads. So once you get the caliper out of the way, take the sensor out. This sensor is good. I still am going to put a new sensor back in. Next, we're going to need to take the big bolts at the back of the caliper bracket. Perfect. Yeah. Here we go. Got both of the bolts out. This way I get to inspect the back bolts too. So just got the new pads back on, cleaned the calipers up. Remember how it was hard to take the caliper off? It's because these pins were jammed in. So I had to clean this up. 90% of the time when the pins are jammed in, when you pull the caliper forward, it would not work. So if that's happening to yours, check the pins. Sliding pins are jammed. I think it's another symptom is that when you drive in the car and you open your window and you can hear your brakes kind of squeaking, but your brake pads are in good condition, your rotors are in good condition, but you keep hearing that, and the squeaking goes on and off. It's not all the time. If it's all the time, some of the hardware is touching the rotors, but if it comes and goes, then it's most likely these pins are actually jammed in. So you gotta take them out of the boot, put a grease in, free them up, and put the calipers back in. So after you clean the pins, we're just going to put the brake pads inside the caliper, load them in. The clip one goes with the piston, and the one with the large indent, like this one here, guide pin you can call it, goes towards here. You're going to bring it this way. Slide the caliper in, put 13mm bolts, tighten them down, and put a new hardware if you got that with your caliper brake pad kits, because mine came with it. So this is what it takes to replace your brake rotors and pads in an Audi Q5, 2011, and whatever other year is similar. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.